Gold prices, delusional optimism bid for the precious metal because US and Iran pause strikes between each other, but that's offset by what's going on in the Red Sea at the moment. Remember, gold's very volatile to inflation expectations and rate hike expectations, which, despite this, are still elevated at 31% probability of July. We know September, October, December are high probability of hikes. There, gold is still caught within a range. Okay, we're still caught within a range. I'm glad markets are not running completely delusional, optimistic. Ah, I'm glad they're running completely delusional. Anyway, gosh. Now we're capped to the upside. Key area of liquidity at 4,200. The upper part of this range to the downside around 4K. Okay, about $200 range there, which we could still play at to the downside. Monthly is obviously still bearish, right? We could still go and take out these lows of June and carry on selling. Weekly, obviously, just got that consolidation, but you can see that structure remains intact. We just got this period of consolidation. Obviously, the full-on commitment. Know the scenarios, right? This is very, very key heading into the FOMC decision because gold is going to have a chunky breakout depending on which scenario plays out. There's a lot for wars to consider, but you got to know how to capitalize on this. Is very, very key and important so that you establish how to then get in the market and then this trend that we're following and why. And then you know where we're going to run to, those next key areas of liquidity, either to the upside or to the downside. I'm prepared for all scenarios, and so should you be. This is like a seriously important meeting and a highly volatile one. Guys, you want to access this knowledge in this noggin, or if you want to access me, okay, I've still got that waiting list open right now for the rest of this week for my next intake of my mentorship. You can click the links somewhere below in this video or somewhere in this article. Other than that, if you have any questions, shoot me up on DM on Instagram. I'll happily provide you the best route I think that you should take. Stay in it, stay blessed. Let's get it.